What if I told you Ethereum's busier than Times Square on New Year's Eve, but folks are still eyeing gold? That's right, the Ethereum network, where all the decentralized apps and NFTs live, just hit a crazy new record for activity. We're talking more transactions, more users, more everything. It's a clear sign that the tech is being used, and used a lot. But here's the twist. Even with all that action, some traders are still looking at gold as the safer bet. It's like the party's rocking on Ethereum, but some of the big money is still kind of nervous, keeping an eye on traditional assets. It shows a bit of a tug-of-war in the market between the excitement of new tech and the old school safety net. This is not financial advice. Now, speaking of big money, get this. Morgan Stanley, one of the biggest investment banks out there, just made a move that could shake things up for Solana. They filed an application with the SEC, that's the Securities and Exchange Commission, the big boss of financial markets, to launch a Solana trust. What's a trust? Think of it like a special fund that lets their wealthy clients invest in Solana without actually having to buy and hold the crypto themselves. This is a massive step for Solana. It means a huge traditional financial player is saying, hey, Solana's legit and our clients want a piece of it. It could open the floodgates for more institutional money flowing into the Solana ecosystem. This is not financial advice, but it's definitely a sign of mainstream adoption picking up steam. And back to Ethereum for a sec, because there's another big story brewing. People are absolutely piling into Ethereum staking. If you're not familiar, staking is kind of like putting your money in a high-yield savings account, but for crypto. You lock up your Ethereum to help secure the network, and in return, you earn rewards, kind of like interest. The demand for this is through the roof, with big players like Tom Lee's Bitmine leading the charge. This means more and more Ethereum is being taken off the open market and locked up, which can affect its supply and demand dynamics. It's a huge vote of confidence in Ethereum's future and its ability to generate passive income. Again, this is not financial advice. So whether it's Ethereum's soaring usage, Morgan Stanley giving a nod to Solana, or the staking frenzy, the crypto world is always buzzing. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.